So here's the problem. This gas cap no longer clicks when it's tightened. You see that? It says tighten until one click or service engine light might come on. So since it no longer clicks, we're going to replace the gas cap. So I ended up going to the car dealership, and this is a GM car, and found a replacement. It was the last one in stock. I bought it, and so we're going to install it. So the first thing we'll do is just take the tether out, and I think I can probably just do this with my fingers. Let's give it a shot. Yeah, that did it. Okay, so let's take this part out here and then replace it. Okay, so now I got some needle nose pliers, and I'm just going to put it into this hole here and yank on it. All right, so we got it out, and now let's put the new one in. First, I just want to make sure that this new gas cap clicks, so let's get it on. Ah, there's a click. Okay, then all I gotta do is put this tether back in here, like so. All right, we're all done.